Hello guys, Merry Christmas. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty Tutorial here. You guys can do this on Christmas. You guys can definitely do this on New Year's, okay? Because I'm definitely posting this video before New Year's. Girl, I just brought the stars to you, okay? So I just really pulled out the crafts out of my hat for this look, girl. Everybody was asking me, who did Jamaica? Where you get this look from? So you guys know I dived into the Anastasia. No, not Anastasia. I dived into the Benefit pomade, brow pomade. I really like this product. I can really get done quick. I like products that doesn't take a lot of time, so that I can go ahead and finish it. You know what I'm saying? So when I'm done with the pomade, I'm gonna go in and I am going to clean up with my Tarte concealer, which my brows looked so nice. You know, brows are the most important thing to me. So yeah, I try to get those brows nice. Dived into my primer. Well, the primer that I'm using is really not a primer. It's actually a sunscreen by Tarte. This is the Target God 30. I really like this product for using as if it's a primer for my makeup. It's really nice. My foundation looks flawless, and I'm also protected from the sun. So now, as you guys see, I dived into my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just cleaning up my brows. So yeah, finishing up my brows, and then the palette that I'm gonna dive into is my Carnival palette. Really like my Carnival palette. I got multiple colors, and I can, do multiple things with this palette. So yeah, I'm diving into that palette. So now I'm putting the Tarte concealer there. Using the Tarte concealer as a eyeshadow primer, just to make sure I don't get no color on my eyes. So the lighter the better. So I'm diving to like this brown color here, just putting that in. And then I'm going to dive into a black. But you're going to be shocked on how I'm going to bring these brows up. Like this eye look is going to be so pretty, guys. Like so pretty. And it was like something I've been thinking about this look, but I just never did it. So I just thought today is the day that I'm going to do this look, and I really see this being a great New Year look because it has like, stars on it. I glued stars to my face and my eyes. So I'm just going to make sure that this product is evenly distributed. So I took a black and I went into my crease area with the black. And now I'm about to cut my crease using the Tarte concealer. I'm cutting my crease. And I'm going to apply like this gray eyeshadow. It's going to be bomb. So I dive into my Morphe palette, my Mickey Mouse collection palette. And I use like that gray that's in there. So, yeah, this is a nice palette that I use or whatnot. So, it was really easy to get it. Like it came off exactly the way it looked in the palette, and I like that. So, I did this like pattern motion because I wanted to make sure I get the color in real nice. I wanted to make sure it was true to color. And so now, as you guys see, I'm playing with a little bit of rhinestones, trying to see, okay, what's going to happen. So now I'm about to put like these glitters and stars on my eye, So yeah, this look didn't take much time for me, which I was really shocked about that. It didn't take much time to get this look, but it did take time, but not like 2 hours. It was like maybe only an hour to finish out this look. And I got my desired look, and I was really pleased by it. The rhinestones was a little bit tricky, so I ended up taking the gold rhinestones out, and I ended up putting glitter in its place. So finishing up my look, and the glue that I used was Duo glue. It's really easy to just pin that glue down so I can get my rhinestones in there. End up using glitter like I told you. I actually took the gold rhinestones out, replaced them with glitter because it was kind of hard for them to sit in my crease. So I changed it up. So as you guys see, I'm adding the glitter in there. And the glitter really looked nice. I ended up putting 2 stars on each side. Made it look really nice. Brought it out. I'm really liking the way this look coming out so far. I really can't wait to get into the makeup. Which the foundation that I will be using today is by Becca. I like Becca foundation. Really nice. This look came out like extremely dramatic. Like I like. I like dramatic looks. I like for my looks to be dramatic as possible. And that's just me. That's just my style. You know, I like to enhance my look. And that's what I do. So yeah. Now I'm adding my wing line. Real simple. I'm not doing too much of a big wing, but I'm just pretty much just kind of like making sure my eyes are nice. But I stopped and went on to my foundation because I'm kind of running out of my wing liner. So I need to buy more. We'll be doing that soon. Guys, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. I would love to see you guys on more videos. Dive into my concealer. I don't know which one that I use, guys. Did you catch it? So, blending that out really nice. I wanted to make sure it was light so that I can bring out. I wanted the center of my face to be like out. I wanted to be popping. I wanted to draw all attention to the center of my face. So, yeah. How you guys Christmas going so far? I hope so. I hope it's going well. Mine's fantastic. Talk to my family. Made life so much better that, because I really never really enjoyed Christmas unless I'm with them, Yeah. I hope you guys subscribe to the channel already. Y'all need to if y'all haven't yet. Holler! 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 I'm over here reminiscing about this hair because I didn't have to do much of nothing to my hair. Nothing. Okay, so yeah, I miss my braids. Okay, and I did these myself. And I enjoy my hair better when I do it myself. I don't know why. Maybe because when I do it myself, I don't mind just taking it down. I ain't pay that much. I gotta just take it down. I ain't gotta worry about nothing. So now, guys, dive into this mascara. And this is actually a new mascara by Urban Decay that I like. Makes the lashes look thick. I really like it. And it's called Perversion, something like that. I don't remember. And I know that it said bigger, blacker, badder lashes by Urban Decay. You guys need to check it out. I think it's called Perversion. I like it. Perversion by Urban Decay. Like this mascara. It's really nice. Black. And I love mascara. Like, I try not to leave the house without it, even if I don't have makeup on. I love mascara. I like to make sure my lashes are like fine. I like to make sure my lashes are always looking thick. So you guys see I dabbed into the Pressure Lashes Really nice. Oh no, girl, when I tell you my pressure lashes or pressure, dived into the little bit of eyeshadow to give me that blush look out that Mickey Mouse palette, girl. And then I actually, no, not the Mickey Mouse palette. I used the Morphe palette to give me like this blush, the glittery blush, and then I dived into the Milani highlight by Milani, and I put that on my cheeks. I put that pink highlight on my cheeks. Oh my God, when I tell you it was so pretty. It's called Peach Illa, Peach Illa, Peach Ella, Peach Ella. Girl, let me tell you, it was pretty. I really like it. It's like a pink. It's like it got a lot of blue in it too. Like it got a lot of blue in it. Like you can see the blue in it. It's really nice. You need this from any drugstore. Um, yeah. Hello. 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 Let me know how y'all like this look. Y'all gonna do this for New Year's? So now I'm diving into that Bart Simpson collection. Yes, by Revolution. And I'm putting that on underneath the brow bone. I'm putting that gold, that yellow gold underneath my brow bone. And then I'm putting a little glitter on my lashes, girl. Now I'm diving into that MAC lipstick, which I don't have it with me right now. So I can't tell you the name, but it's by MAC. You can definitely show this to anybody that works at MAC if you like this lipstick. And ask them what lipstick this girl wearing, they should tell you because they're specialists. They know what lipstick it is, So now, mixing it up, diving into that It's Benefit mascara. I like this mascara, it's nice. And then I put like a yellow liner underneath my eye, which I lost the top to the yellow liner this day. This day I made this video and I can't find it. That yellow has dried out. So don't keep it open because if you keep your liners open, it'll dry out. So yeah, I'm really trying to hunt that thing down because I really like my yellow liners underneath the water line. I like my lime greens underneath my water line. I like my turquoise underneath my water line, girl, because it really be popping. Oh, that yellow is so pretty. I need to find that top right now. Like, literally. I need to find that top right now because I'm going to have to wrap that thing up with something. Because I need this to be always vibrant. I'll probably get some, like, saran wrap until I'm able to find the top. I hope I didn't throw that top away. Knowing me, I didn't throw that top away, but I just used it and put the top, like, threw it somewhere. That's what I do. Girl, I got a desk full of stuff. But I need to find that top. Because I need that top. This look turned out so hot. If you guys like videos like this, be sure to come back and see me. I bring them to you. Because I love bringing you videos like this. I love bringing you videos, period. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss nothing that I do. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Talk to y'all later. Talk to y'all later on. Bye-bye. Hello.